recording. Okay. What are you doing? There's train builder. On Minecraft. I don't think crafting blocks will be that happy. I'm just saying. Anyways, Sam built this very fancy pedestal. I just built this, so like I don't know what he did, but okay. And yeah, that's funny intro. And
This is your pedestal.
okay,
Okay, let me write on it.
oh no, what's he gonna say?
The best dork of all time. Crap. Okay, just start. Wait, you started the video.
Yeah, I have. Anyways, yeah, that's a very weird intro. But
I
yeah.
suck at parkour. Get off my pedestal, boy.
Oh, I flew. Anyways, yeah, what's up, guys? Please leave a like, we're desperate, and sub too, because that would be nice. And today is our tutorial. Well,
Did you turn me into a visitor?
yes. Punishment.
How am I supposed to be able to train when I'm a villager? I mean, a visitor.
So Sam's gonna be the builder, and I'm gonna be the peasant watching him. And so yeah, because I have no idea how to build trains. And
Let me collect.
okay. Hey guys,
Want me to up?
start
Jumbo.
building.
I can't.
Yes, you can.
Oh wait, never mind. Well, let me check again.
Okay. Let's watch.
Yo, I'm not even an
Build.
operator.
So what? You can build and member.
Fine.
As he
So first, what you want to do is just put these two stairs here facing forwards, and you put a wall behind it of cobblestone.
Well, so fast, I know,
And you put two cobblestone walls right here.
looks like it's toting, but I don't give a crap.
And then you put 3 above it.
Yeah, 3 things. Stairs.
And then
Make it
you
look
want to
very
put a
professional.
slab
You put
down
slabs.
there.
You put slabs.
And then you put upside down slabs stairs above it.
Yeah, you do it very like
Slabs
that on both sides.
And you put another cobblestone wall right here.
Yeah, you put
And
it in the
take-
wall. And then
And you take black concrete and put it on each side.
yeah, you put black concrete on each side.
And you want to get birch fence gate and just
And-
And open them on each
And make
black
some
concrete.
So peeps
And make
can
some
get on
ladders.
train. And then,
Okay, now the complicated part. One, put these 2 black concretes here. Then you want to skip 3 and put another 2 on each
3.
track. And skip
And then
3 again. And then
it
you
gets
want to
complicated.
get...
Kind of.
Where is it? Searching through my inventory. You want to get cobblestone slabs and hoppers, and you want to put the hoppers around the wheels, but not in the middle.
Yeah. Just around.
Also, for the last
thumb.
2, you only want to put them facing the middle, and you don't want to put them on the end because we need to fit the fuel tank.
So do it very perfect.
And then-
like this.
And then
put a slab. How magnificent.
you put a slab, and then
put
go
more
underneath
slabs.
it and make it like a U shape.
Yeah, U shape.
And then you
Nice.
basically repeat that and put it up like that.
On both sides, like boss.
On both sides.
Like a boss.
And then you want to do it on the other side. So let me just tap
Do
tap
this.
that. And then you want to get normal stone blocks and just fill above the wheels. Then you want to go 1 block more. You want to go 2 blocks out. And you want to make a wall right here. Skip 1 away from the last wheel.
Wait. Stop.
And you
So
want-
you want to have the gap, and you want to have L technically. Yeah.
And then you extend it by 3. So 1, 2, 3. And then you want to make it 2 blocks high.
Yep. 3 by 2. Right.
And then you get if you're not on Xbox or PC, then you won't have these, but take normal stone stairs and just put them upside down like a barrel, and then right way up on both sides. Because we're all OCD here. And then you want to add 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Isn't
You wanna make it
OCD
3
mean
blocks
perfection?
Symmetrical.
So how many
Symmetrical
blocks is that again?
approach.
1, 2,
It's 5.
5. Okay. So you want to put an extra 5?
And then you want put them. You want to put them upside down on the bottom. And then for the top row, you want to curve them and then put them upside down again.
So watch this very closely on both sides. You put one like that, and then you do that. And then, yeah.
And then basically extend that by 1 and add the wheels again.
So,
And by the way, if you're wondering, this is a XxSam&BenjixX sd40-2.
it'll be in the title. Just saying.
It will be in the title, just saying. And then you want to do the same thing for the
Yeah, do the
axles.
same thing as before for the wheels.
And
I hope this isn't too fast. But like, yeah, I don't know.
and you want to do the same.
So same U shape like before.
You want to do that. Watch as the master builds.
Yes.
Okay, now we go back to the front and get cobblestone and black concrete and birch transgate. And slabs and stairs and
A whole
cobblestone. Yeah, pretty much. And stone.
Oh yeah.
And you want to just fill that to the end wheel.
Yeah.
Benji, what do you mean it will be in the title that it's the CSX SD40-2? You won't even remember what I said.
Yeah, I'll ask you. Exactly.
And then
Yeah, so do
da-
the fancy stuff. Yeah, do that cobblestone and then the thing.
make it turd.
And then do like whoa, bro, is that finished? So like you want to
That's
have the
pretty much-
stairs, the slab and the stairs and more stairs and then that.
That's
and
pretty
then
much the
stairs,
base.
And then slab to the stairs. And then slab to the stairs. And then slab to the stairs.
Be quiet. Okay, be quiet, please. Okay, then you want to go to the front of your engine,
Yeah, front of
and you want to go to this first stone block and add a point towards the front.
Wait, is this the back? Or is this the front?
No, this is the front.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so then you want to put this blue dot and put it around it.
Yeah, so like bang, bang, bada boom.
And then you want to go back by 2 and just fill that in with
So
blue
like,
concrete.
yeah, do the 3 and then that shape.
And then you go
Fill
to
the
the
top,
top
fill
of
the
this
top.
and you add grey concrete right here, but skip the last row.
Carpet! Get it right,
Carpet, not concrete. Dude, I get mixed up. And then you want to put 2 blocks sticking out right here.
Yeah, 2 blocks. There you go. And grey carpet and all the stuff. And
And then you want
let me do
birch.
actually NVM.
You want birch stairs and birch slabs.
Yes. And then you place
And
them
then
there,
you put
and
them
place
like
there,
that.
and you put them like that, like little beach chairs.
And then you put one curving in.
And then you put slab there.
Oh, crap.
And slab there.
I did this wrong.
Wait, you did?
Actually, I didn't. Never mind.
Okay.
No, never mind. And then put 3 cobblestone slabs in the front and 1 up on the little part that sticks out.
Whoa. Okay, so on top
Like
of
this.
there and on top of there.
And then you want to go to the sides and you want to extend it out by 3. So 1, 2, 3. Then you want to add another row on top and make like a U shape and put yellow concrete there.
Okay, so blah blah blah.
And do the
So
same thing on
6 by
both
2.
sides.
No, yeah, 6 by 2 and then 2 poles and then a yellow block.
So, and also what you want to do, I forgot to mention this. Come here.
Yeah.
So you want to go here, add a block here, and put an open fence gate for the little brake wheel.
What do you mean? Okay, so is it on both sides? Okay, it's on the right.
No, it's only on one side.
It's on the right, I'm pretty sure. Unless
And then you
it's
want to take
this way.
grey stained glass block and place it in all the gaps.
Yeah, like that. Like that.
And then you want to fill in the roof.
Yeah, fill in the roof. Thick roof.
And then you get quartz stairs and place them over the top like this.
Yep.
And then, so you want to go to the back and you want to line it up directly with the slab that's above the last wheel. So directly here. You want to place blue concrete. You want to place it directly above the wheel that's closest to the fuel tank. And you would just place it there and then go all the way back to the front and do it on both sides.
Back wheel. The first back wheel.
And then you want to go behind it and just add birch slabs all the way to the black concrete.
Yeah.
And then you want to how do I do this? You want to go like this. You make a point that sticks out there. So it sticks out and it goes to in line with the black concrete, and you want to connect that to the front
Like that.
on both sides.
Yep.
And then on this one side, you want to add 2 blocks here and put 1.
Whoa, wait, what?
You can
Okay, so the one
come back to the front. So you put 2 blocks like this.
That, there.
And then on this side, you want to make this little box that sticks out and put cobblestone stairs on top. Let me just find cobblestone stairs. Right there. And on the other side, that's not there.
Okay, so remember,
And then you
on the
want
left
to-
or right, depending which way you're facing.
It's on the right.
Facing this way, it's left. Facing this way, it's right. And yeah.
So and then you want to make 2 blocks that stick out behind it on both sides. Just make it along like that.
Yeah, just make it a little longer. But it's true.
And then you want to put blocks here. And then you want cobblestone slab and bedrock, and you want to fill this gap in with bedrock and put the cobblestone slab on top of the bedrock.
Like that, as shown.
Okay, now for the CSX logo. So you want to take yellow concrete, just add 2 on the bottom, and you want to build up like this, and then you want to extend it out so it's got 2 blocks out from the original one.
And then 2 blocks from the
And then it's got a block right here, so it's like a diagonal. And then it's got 2 blocks here, and then 2 blocks diagonally up. And then put 2 like that on each side. And then on the other side, you want to make it reversed.
This may be hard to look at, but like put this on the left if you're facing this way. Like stare at this, and then on the left.
And then you
if
basically
you're
do
on-
the same thing,
wait,
just
no,
backwards.
On the right this way, the left on this way, and you technically do it like that.
And then
fill in the dots
for the
with
back,
blue.
you fill in the dots. For the back, you go here and basically make the same nose design. You just put one up and then
Yeah.
put the blue concrete, and then put blue concrete on top like that. So it's the CSS.
So blue free on each side, and then a blue dot.
And then connecting to the CSX logo from the back, you basically make 2 blocks tall of a wall, and then you put 1 sticking up at the logo. And basically do the same thing on both sides. Now time for vents. And fill in basically the middle row
Okay, wait, so
with blue concrete.
like don't do this bit and don't do here, and like do. It may be a little complicated because it's a little fast, but like okay, well, deal with it.
And then you want to take bedrock and cobblestone stairs and basically put the bedrock along here on both sides. And then you want to go above it and add upside down cobblestone stairs. And then beneath it, you want to go diagonally, so down, You want to put one here,
Put one
diagonally down, and then you want to skip one. So there's one block away from the edge, and they're one block apart.
Second block. Kinda.
And they're basically on the same side, basically. On the
stairs.
Yeah. And also you want to, back to the front, you want to put a torch in the middle.
Yeah. Torch there.
So, okay, now fill the rest in with blue on the top.
Yep. Blue on top.
And you want to get cobblestone stairs, blue concrete, buttons, and bedrock. It's pretty complicated. And also blue carpet. And more cobblestone slabs. We need cobblestone slabs for after. Okay, so basically what you want to go is go on the right side where this part sticks out. You want to go right here and make here, you want to face it towards the front, the stairs. And you put one sideways facing outwards.
Like that.
And then you put it there.
And like that.
And then you want to put a blue concrete and 3 bedrocks.
Ooh.
And then one sideways. And then one upside down backwards.
Wait.
And you want to
is
put
it
a button
meant to be
there?
Like this?
No.
Okay. So like,
No.
let them stare
And
at
then-
this real quick, because that's like complicated. Okay, continue.
And you go to the other side and basically just do the same thing. So, vent. I'm pretty sure, yeah, all sd40-2s have this vent in the middle, and the G evolutions have the vent at the back. And then you want to cover this part up with blue carpet and cover the stairs up with blue carpet here. And then you want to go in the middle of the stairs and add 1, 3, and skip 1, 1. So it's like those. Oh, and then you want iron bars, go to each end, and you want to put iron bars just like that.
Okay.
And then you want to do that on the other end. And also on the other end, you want to put slabs like that in the gaps.
Okay. So, concavedness at best. I'm gonna look at the front again. Yeah.
And identify. Oh, there's also this thing on top of the cab. If you come back here, you want cobblestone stairs and iron trapdoor. You want to put stairs facing the front, and then 2 iron trapdoors behind it. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it on how to make the CSX sd40-2
So
on Minecraft.
now we look at it awesomely with its coolness. Okay, so I was thinking at the end, do you have any facts to tell us all about this train? I mean, I've got 2. It's heavy and it's got a lot of power.
Oh, yeah, it's got a lot of power, it's heavy, and these engines can sometimes be used for pulling loads, but are mainly used for yard work, like shunting cars around. But the main heavy haulers are the GE evolutions for their strength.
Okay, and yeah, I guess I'll see you guys next time. But don't forget to please leave a sub and a like, cause we're desperate and we need it. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye.
So dramatic, bro.
Okay,